Well, hey you guys, welcome back to the Canning Nana. So you guys know that I do tomatoes. The videos are coming out if they're not already up and you haven't seen them. I do them every Labor Day. We go and pick about 300 plus pounds. This year I was limited. I only picked about 90. I thought I was picking 50, but picked a little bit more than I thought I was going to. But when you do tomatoes and you make pasta sauce with it, marinara sauce, you always have the skins. So what do you do with the skins? You dehydrate them into an awesome powder. So most of the nutrients are in the skins, so you don't want to throw them away. The skins are so valuable. You can make tomato powder out of your skins very, very simply, and it's good for making soups, tomato paste, tomato sauce, tomato juice. Anything you can do with regular tomatoes, you can make out of tomato powder. So don't forget this really good tip next time you do your tomatoes. If you don't have enough to make tomato powder, freeze your tomato skins. When you have enough, then put them in your dehydrator. Very, very good idea. It's so versatile. They're so good. I can't tell you enough how much I love them. We make tomato soup out of them, tomato paste. You can make sauce out of them. It's amazing. You can also use them as a thickener, the tomato powder as a thickener, in soups or stews, in your smoothies. Give it a little bit of a tomato nutrient. If you want something with a tomato taste, you can add tomato powder. Let me show you what it looks like after it's all done. So these are my tomato skins from last year. And yes, I do still have them whole, and there's a reason for that. I have several of these small jars of tomato powder that is nice and powdery still. But I like to only do powder as much as I can use in a month or so. So when I'm ready to use some powder, I'll just powder this, put it in one of these small jars, and then use it like that. Very, very versatile, you guys. If you have not done tomato powder, do it today. I also use the Thrive Life tomato powder. It is excellent. No different than fresh. In fact, it tastes exactly the same as mine. They're dehydrated tomatoes, and it's just as good. So great to have on hand. I have several jars. Even though I make my own, you cannot get enough of this stuff. It is so versatile. Just think, you know, if you are out of some kind of juice and you need to make juice, you have water, all you need is tomato powder and you've got juice, tomato juice. You can add vegetables to it and you can have V8 juice. Really, really good. So don't forget this valuable commodity, your tomato skins, and don't forget to dehydrate them. Thanks for watching, you guys. The word of the day for this is dehydrated tomato powder. Please subscribe, make sure you like the video, and comment the word of the day in the comment section below, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.